Customizing a Gantt chart view. The Gantt chart became a standard way of visualizing project plans in the early 20th century. An American engineer, Harry Gantt, developed a bar chart showing the use of resources over time. For many people, a Gantt chart is synonymous with a project plan. In project view is a Gantt chart view. You are likely to spend a lot of time with this. Gantt chart view consists of two parts, as we have shown before, where the table part, which is this part, and the bar, the chart part, which is this part. The right bar includes the timeline scale band across the top of the unit's time. So the timeline here. The bar on the chart graphically represent the tasks on the table on this side. And this contains the duration, the start and finish date, and the relationship between the tasks. That is popular and widely understood representation of project information throughout the project management work. Except for you, by default, project display a split view named Gantt chart with timeline. When you start a project, however, you can change these settings to display any view you want to start off on. The default formatting applied to Gantt chart view works well for on-screen views, sharing with other programs, and printing. However, you can change the formatting almost any elements in a Gantt chart. There are three distinct ways to format Gantt chart. Let's go back to task view. We can apply the fine color combination from the Gantt chart style group, which you can see on the Format tab when a Gantt chart is displayed. Go to your format, here. You can see in the format we have in this format, you go to format, then you go to format here. You can see the kind of bars that we have, different kind of bars, and the settings you can set any one of them. Then the next thing is apply highly individual Gantts by the direct formatting changes that you make and have no effect, meaning that you can actually format individual bars. Like here, we can format individual bars. How do we do that? And it won't affect the other bars. We only double click on this and actually make a change there that as we want it, and it won't actually affect that. Now, that's how we can do that. Now, here we have to just select this design and we want to actually view it. Go to your tabs, go to the editing and use the scroll view. The scroll to task. When you scroll to task, it brings out manually what we have actually planned before. Now for us to now go to format the kind of style. We go to Gantt chart group. In this bar style group, we have Gantt chart style. We can have different color formatting. Click on more, we can have any of this. Depends on what you like to use. If I use this, it's going to change everything. So we can actually change the style of what we're doing, depending on how we want to format it. Now, after we've done that, let's say we want to also add an highlight to traveling. Right click on it, go to picnics, then give I want a yellow line. Here we have something like brown, then I want the color of this to be small blue. Alright, I want it to be good. Alright, so I've completed format this. Now, see it's formatted. So I can also go here, go to the format, go to this format and click on the bar. As I proceed for the format, here let's say we want to customize the, you see this traveling is having a kind of sign here, a kind of star. Go here, we can also change that to back star. Go to shape, and I want the shape to that one to be something like this. So, and I want the middle to be like something different on how we want. I want the color to be different. And I want the end color to be also, let's say I'll do, have this one to do, the dark blue. Then I click OK. Then I go here and scrolling. You can see, you can actually see this. So find that way, that's how we can actually command and add one or two things to some of those things we're doing. Generally format for those summary tabs. You will note that as we do that, most of the things we are applying to are the auto schedule. This is auto schedule. It's a manually schedule. Auto schedule and manually schedule. Now let's go to customizing the timeline. Click on any of these parts of this. It has changed, and it has changed. It has also have a format here. Now the format has changed here. After you click it, then click on setting tasks. Then you have this. The add tag, so timeline dialog pop up for us. This dialog box contains an outline of summary and a subtask to the project plan. Check the following: planning phase, planning complete, internal. Now we use this to customize the timeline. What we want to see in the timeline? We want to see the micro web application. I want to see the design. I want to see the development. I want to see the testing, deployment, and that's all. So click OK. Thus we have customized the timeline now, which helps us to have a kind of quick view on the application and the tags, the summary tags that we're actually working on. After that, just mouse over this. You see our information about this will be displayed, and information about this. So mouse over this, information about each of this will be displayed for us to see. And finally here, we can also look at how we can also draw shapes using the shapes on this project. Sometimes you may want to go to draw, format, go to drawing. You can draw anything, text box, polygon, over, and so on and so forth. Let's say we want to add a short note on this, then you can type inside, cancel, mobility, for the previous tangent, system. Now, this particular information we always just note. You can click on the border and drag it down. and the arrow changes. And we can also get a property of this object or shape. I will go here, click on property, or we go just double click the edge, double click the border, here you double click the border, then we have to fill the position and size of the field and control most of those things here. We want the border to be red, we want the outline to be slim, we want the color inside to be something like blue, the field or the pattern around will be this. Then we can go to size and position. Now this position is on Gantt chart, where how close to the timeline from here down here and to this side. So we can control. Then we can also attach it to a particular timeline. We can attach it to a task. If I want to attach it to a task and attach it to a task here, I can attach it to task 12. That's what I want. Then I can control every other thing, height, width there, and click OK. See it? It's attached automatically to task traveling. That's what I want to attach. Now, so far we have drawn that. Now let's say we want to now copy some of these views. Sometimes we want to share some of this work with our colleague. Now, number one, let's go to this tab and go to edit, so we can scroll to task. This we go to copy here, copy picture. Then we want it to print on screen, or we want to print to printer or GIF file. Alright, we want to print GIF file or whichever one on screen. Then we can rows on screen and so on and so forth. We click OK. Let's copy. Now I go to my WordPad. So I open the WordPad. Then here I can go to paste, right? So this is it. So you can see the work. We pasted it now. Here we can move it. We can move it here and there. So we can see the one we have scrolled to tabs. This is the part we want to be visible to our colleague. That's how to copy out.